Brincy also trains students to develop the art of baking. The interesting part here is 7-year-old kids also come to learn and today they take orders. Yes, 7-year-old kids have turned entrepreneurs. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This story is about that person who left her HDFC bank job and followed her passion. Yes, she is no other than woman entrepreneur Brincy Antau. Brincy was born in Carmona, Goa. From childhood, she had the habit of cutting out recipes from newspaper and collecting them. She has done fashion designing and she also holds a bachelor's degree in arts. After graduation, she got the opportunity to work as a cashier at the HDFC bank. And side by side, she used to do her baking at a small scale. That time she realized that she has poor baking skills and that needs to be changed. So she decided to quit her job. Quitting a bank job in India is not so easy, but somehow she convinced her family. Then she enrolled herself for Chef Vikram Bajaj cooking classes and also joined a bakery to polish her baking skills. Step by step, she started a business. Pastry, cakes, pizzas, bibinka and so on. Getting the licenses was not so easy, but somehow she overcame the hurdle. The video is not paused, the story is paused. Why? Because you didn't hit the like and subscribe button. Fast. Thank you. Soon she started conducting workshops and the workshop at the Nirmala College Panjim opened the doors for more opportunities. Brincy also trains students to develop the art of baking. The interesting part here is 7-year-old kids also come to learn and today they take orders. Yes, 7-year-old kids have turned entrepreneurs. Here is a small clip.
Okay, I would like to thank Brincy first of all for conducting this course. We learned a lot from it, many types of cakes, and it was really a beautiful experience. She was also very jolly towards us. And today, as a final day, as our farewell, she even conducted a small party for us. It was really cute of her.
So Fast Bake is also on YouTube now and you all can learn cooking. Brincy's message to young generation is start a side hustle. It doesn't require a huge capital. It is important to develop a skill apart from formal education. So this was the story of Brincy Antau. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. शीस आपल्या गुरु परोस व्हरतो न्हय. शिकून पूर्ण जालोलो शीस तो की आपल्या गुरु सारको उतरतलो.
In my workshop, I had brought one of my friend who was a head chef in a hotel.
Okay.
So I made him to tell whatever they are using, in the stuff they are using in tandoori also. He told it's very cancerous for us. The red color they